How to add Sora Validator on MetaMask application. Are you guys facing issues to add Sora Validator on your MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon. After you hit the plus icon, tap on search bar and search for Sora Validator. In order to add Sora Validator, just take this box. Now hit the next button. You can see the option for import. Tap on it. As soon as you hit the import button, Sora Validator will be added on your MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna add Sora Validator. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.